A demo from Bath Games. Welcome to the Ludo battle. Let's get started by connecting our MetaMask wallet to the game. By doing so, we get 50 LB tokens to start with. By default, we are given an avatar. However, we can purchase a special avatar NFT from the wide-ranging collection. We now arrive at the home page, where the game modes 1 vs 1 and 4 players are shown. When we head to the in-game NFT Marketplace, we can find NFTs to buy using LB tokens. There are various dice board combinations available for a player that determine their earnings. Under dice, we can find various level-based dice NFTs for sale, including rare, super rare, and epic. The dice NFTs can be upgraded by players based on their accomplishments in the game. Under boards, we can find basic and premium boards. When we play a game of Ludo in any of the modes, the earnings can differ according to the combination of dice and board used. When using a rare dice on its basic board, a player should enter the game with 100 LB tokens. When using a super rare dice on its basic board, a player should enter the game with 200 LB tokens. When using an epic's dice on a premium board, a player should enter the game with 500 LB tokens. Note that 100 LB tokens are equivalent to $1. The winnings at the end of the game are distributed per player's positions.